Hello everyone! In this video, I will walk you through the exciting world of low-content books and how you can use Amazon and Canva to create a passive income stream. We are going to review the step-by-step process of creating a low-content book using Canva, then setting up an Amazon listing to monetize it. Ultimately, a low-content book is a book that your customer fills out rather than you. For examples, planners, journals, sketchbooks, or coloring books. Therefore, when it comes to creating one of these books, the most crucial element is designing an aesthetically pleasing cover. Step 1. Keyword research. Keyword research is an essential part of creating successful content on Amazon. There are a few different ways to go about it, but the easiest is to start by typing your design ideas into Amazon and seeing what search recommendations come up. These recommendations are based on the most popular searches, so they can give you a good idea of what people are looking for. This can help you come up with keywords to use for your low content book. If you want to take your keyword research a step further, you can use a Chrome extension like KDP Spy to get more detailed information. This can help you get an idea of the search volume for each keyword you may use to get your book to rank higher. With the proper keyword research, you can create a content that is sure to be successful on Amazon. Step 2. Design your cover. Move on to designing your book cover in Canva. Canva is an amazing design software that provides all the resources for you to create not just low-content books, but anything. For example, all the illustrations and animations in this video are made in Canva. We have a special link for you in the description, where you can sign up for free or get a discount for the premium subscription. When you sign up, just create a unique and eye-catching cover using Canva's wide selection of customizable templates with drag and drop functions. Also, make sure to choose a professional font and include relevant images or symbols to make it more appealing. Canva also has thousands of templates for different low-content books that you can customize as you wish. Step 3. Create your interior pages. Once you have designed your book cover, move on to thinking about the interior content. Pick a theme for your low-content books that will appeal to your target audience. Select from the wide range of design elements available in Canva, including white space, shapes, icons, and illustrations to help build your creative pages. Step 4. Export your book. It's finally done. You have created a beautiful and creative insight for your low-content book. Now, you just need to export it as a PDF for Amazon. Thankfully, Canva has an easy-to-use feature to export your book as a print-ready PDF. Step 5. Set up Amazon listing. Once you have exported your book, you can set up your Amazon listing. Upload your PDF, name, and description. Enter the price that you would like to charge, and prepare your book cover to go along with the listing. Amazon will take care of the rest. They are going to print and ship the products, and you will receive your commission for each purchase. The beautiful part is that you don't even have to market your product because the Amazon search engine will work for you to reach your audience. Obviously, your design and listing have to be unique and professional to get noticed. Sign up for Canva for free with the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!